welcome back. In this class, we are going to see how operators behave on lists. For joining, we use addition symbol. For replicating, we use multiplication symbol. We can also have relational operators to compare the lists. And also membership operator, which is in and not in, also works on lists. Let us see those in detail. Addition operator is used to join two or more than two lists. All the elements of lists are added to a single list and being returned. For example, if we are having different lists, one is called city, other one is state, other one is called pin. So now if I give city plus state plus pin, then I will be able to see a new list which is having all the lists together like this. Next, replication. So multiplication operator is used to replicate the elements of the list. If n is the integer given with the list, elements are replicated n times and a new list will be returned. For example, tech is the list here. If tech into 2 is given and then all the elements are repeated twice. Next, relational operator. We can use any relational operators within two lists to compare. After comparing, it will return whether it is true or false. For example, here I have two lists compared with greater than symbol. See, it will compare the first element and the first element. If both are different, and then whichever is having the bigger value is greater. So here 6 is greater than 1, so it is true. Next I have some strings here and then the same string in small letter, it starts with second list. Now when the strings are there, it will check the ASCII value. The first string, first character, capital A is 65 and small a is 97. So 97 is greater, but here it is given as capital A, that is 65 is greater there, so it is false. If the characters in the beginning are same, wherever the character differs, it will be comparing those characters. If complete element is same, and then it will check with the second element. So similar way it will be returning whether true or false. We will see this in detail with many examples while we run on IDLE. Now again 630 is greater than 6, 5. See that first element in both the lists are same. So the second element it checks, 3 is smaller, 5 is bigger. So this is going to be false. Membership operators on list. In takes value and the sequence. If the value is available in the list, it will be returning true, otherwise false. Similar way, not in checks whether it is not there. That means if it is not found in the list, it will be returning true, otherwise it will be false. For example, 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is a list. So 5 is available there, this will return true. Now ML not in EI, ML, NN, DL. See, ML is available there. Here the operator used is not in. So it is going to give false. Next one, 8 in 5, 10, 15, 20 is the list here. So it is not available. So it will be giving false. Let us execute everything in IDLE so that we are very clear about all these. I have a list here called L1. I will be giving some numbers here, and then let me have L2 equal to some more numbers here. Let me give L1 plus L2. So it will be returning the list having all the values of both the lists. If I want to store this new list into another variable, I can do that. For that, I can give L3 is equal to L1 plus L2. So now L3 will be the same list. So now L2 multiplied with 3. So 3 times all the elements, group of elements will be repeated. That means 10, 20, 30, 40. Again 10, 20, 30, 40. One more time 10, 20, 30, 40. Right? Now relational operators. L1 is greater than L2. See there. L1's first value is 1. L2's first value is 10. So L1 cannot be greater. So it will be giving false. Now let me change the value of this to 10. You know how to change? L1 of 0 is the index of 1, right? So just I give that. Let me have 60 there. Okay. So it will become 60. So if I see L1 6234. Okay. Now I am giving L1 is greater than L2. So it is true. 60 is greater than 10, right? Now let me give some string values in the list. S is equal to A, B, C, D, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now I have S1 is equal to A, B, B, C. Now if I compare, S is greater than S1. See here it will be true as the first string both are different and then the first two letters are same, but third letter is here C is there, here it ends with B itself. So definitely this is going to be greater. So S is going to be greater than S1. It is going to be true. Let me insert one new value there in S1. S1 dot insert of, I'll use 0 as the index number to insert and I will add here ABCD. Now if I see S1 ABCD AB, so here ABCD and then S, here ABCD both are same elements. Now it will check with this M and A, so both are different, right? So A is smaller, it will give S1 is smaller than S, so it is going to be true. Now let me add S1 first index insert of 1 comma XYZ. Now S1 is ABCD XYZ, S is ABCD MNO. So now here it is going to check with this and this. So definitely X has the higher ASCII value than M. So if I give S is greater than S1, it is going to be false. Now if both lists are same, let me create S2 is equal to, let me copy all the elements here. So S also same, S2 also same. Now if I say S2 is greater than S, it is going to be false as both are equal. Now if I say S2 equality operator I use and then yes, it is going to be true. S1 is not equal to S is true. Now let us check S2 is not equal to S, but both are same, right? So it will be giving false. So now let us check the membership operator. S1 is here, it is. I give a value here XYZ in S1. So it is available, so it will be giving true. if an element is not available in S1, say here OP, in S1 it is going to say false. Now I give PQ which is not available, not in S1. So it is not there in S1, so it will be giving true. This is how the membership operator works. Hope all the operators, how it behaves in the lists of Python, are very clear. Let us meet in the next class. We will discuss about the slicing in lists. Until then, thank you. Bye.